Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by dissolving the chicken stock cubes into heated water so extraction starts immediately. Heat 4 cups of water until steaming but not rolling. Add 2 crushed cubes and stir until fully dissolved. Once dissolved, taste for baseline salt and adjust later because cubes concentrate sodium. You do this to release concentrated flavors quickly and evenly. Crushing increases surface area and speed. Make sure to keep the liquid warm rather than cold to amalgamate fats and seasonings smoothly. Once the cubes are dissolved, you build depth by adding aromatic vegetables and herbs to the warm liquid. Toss in a chopped carrot, celery stalk, an onion plus a bay leaf, a few peppercorns, and a thyme sprig. They infuse subtle sweetness and savory notes. Simmer gently for 15 to 20 minutes so flavors marry without reducing too fast. Vigorous boiling drives off aroma and concentrates salt. When done, skim any foam or excess oil to keep a clear, balanced stock that complements rather than overpowers dishes. To finish, you strain the stock through a fine sieve or cheesecloth and press the vegetables to extract remaining liquid. This yields clearer, fuller stock. Cool rapidly in an ice bath to safe temperature, then store in airtight containers. Use within 4 days, refrigerated or freeze for up to 3 months in portions. If the liquid is too salty, dilute with equal parts hot water and retaste. If flat, brighten with a squeeze of lemon or a small pat of butter to round flavors before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.